Hello, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and I'm going to show you around our Audi S5 Cabriolet DA67ENU. Mythos black car with a Rotor grey leather interior. And on this particular car, we've actually carried out a black styling conversion, something Audi never offered from the factory. So the previous owner actually had the radiator grille painted by his Audi dealer, and the body trims and window surrounds we've had wrapped in black. So very much in the OEM style, but something Audi never actually themselves sold. So I'm going to show you around the car one panel at a time. I'll go in nice and close. I will highlight any defects I see as we go around the car. I'll also show you some of the optional extras fitted. It's quite a nice spec S5. If you'd like to see the specification in detail or the service records in detail, you will find both of those in the main body text of the advert. So, little general look around the front end there. It presents really nicely. I'll go in really up close now so you can see in detail. Phone's probably about 15 centimetres away from the bonnet. And being an 8-year-old black car, there are some small stone chips that have been neatly touched in. Hopefully you can see those. It presents really nicely. I don't think there's anything that needs repair there, but to try and give you an accurate description of the car, as I say, there are some chips. Bumper and front end plastics, I think I'm going to use a very similar description in that they look really nice, but if you go in very, very close, you'll see there are some of those little chips. Headlamp looks good, side grille looks good. Radiator grille presents well. Again, going real close. So this is why I'm struggling to focus because I'm too close. You have got little chips. Same for the near side. The plastics and lamps look really good. Moving now to the near side of the car. Just moving it around so you can watch reflections. Panel alignment is good. Paint looks lovely. I don't see any dents to tell you about or show you. Near side front wheel there. Let's call that a 9 in that if I go in super close, there aren't. You just got a very light abrasion there. There's a couple of little marks. Michelin tyre. Where's the number on that? I want to say that's a Pilot Sport 4, but I can't quite see the... It's upside down and right by the ground. Yeah, Pilot Sport 4S. You've got probably 5 to 6 millimeters on that one. Red brake calipers on this car, and you can see that's a very recent brake disc with only a tiny amount of wear on it. So that's been replaced in the very recent past. All looks nice down the sill. There's just so you've got a tiny little nick there, maybe 5mm. Passenger door mirrors in nice condition. There is a really light mark just on the lower plastic bit there, you might be able to see. Passenger door looks good. So full Rotor grey leather interior in this car. I think a really nice contrast to the black outside. We've got Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade, carbon Atlas interior inlays, fully electric super sport seats are standard on S5 with the diamond quilted leather. The memory on the driver's seat in this car is optional. Electric adjustment and massage function standard. Back seat also lovely. If I show you the seat back, see there's just very faint marks on the outside from where people have got in and out, that's all. Roof's in lovely condition, still black, not faded, not stained, no scuffs or fluffy bits, anything like that. It looks really good. No marks or damage that I can see on the quarter panel. Near side rear wheel, let's go for a 9 again in that, even, but you can see I've got the phone, what's that, 1.5 foot away from the wheel there at most. It looks absolutely spot on, but if you go in really, really close, you'll see there's a couple of teeny tiny little marks. Pilot Sport 4S again, easily 6mm on that one. Rear brake discs are also very recent, barely worn. Around to the back of the car. No noticeable marks around the handle. No damage on the bumper or valance. The tail light trims look good. Oh, I tell a lie, I've seen a tiny little one. See, there's a couple, there's just like a little nibbly mark there that's been touched in neatly. There we go, found something. Marks from loading are really minimal. There is a wind deflector with back in this car with its carry bag. The trims and the carpets in the boot all look nice. Despite being a convertible, you do actually retain split folding rear seats with these, so as I say, as a convertible car, they are quite surprisingly practical. Totally usable back seat, decent sized boot, and with the split fold you can even do an IKEA trip. All nice and straight and shiny down the offside. Quarter panel looks lovely. I'm seeing just 2 small chips. We've got one little one there and one little one there. So obviously my colleague will get out the Mythos black touch-up pen and neatly touch those in for you. Nice and clean inside the fuel door. I do have a new string to go on the fuel cap because that one's starting to look a little bit old and perished. Standard 95 RON unleaded for this engine, no requirement to use super. The offside rear wheel, I'm probably going to call an 8, because if you look at the 11 o'clock position as I'm filming now, you see you've got a mark there of probably 15 centimetres just on the lip. Pilot Sport 4S tyre, they all are on this car, with at least 5mm on that one. All looks good along the sill. All looks good driver's door. And door mirror. Just see Audi beam projecting the 4 Rings logo now. No real wear to mention on the driver's door armrest. You've got controls there for the electric folding dimming memory door mirrors, control there for memory driver's seats, the boot release there. Flat bottom steering wheel on this car, the leather of which looks really good. Not worn, not dirty, not shiny. Let's take a step back, so I'm too close to the car, so I can show you the driver's seat a little better. And there is just that light wear on the outer bolster of the driver's seat. It's not squashed or ripped, it's just Being quite a deeply bolstered seat, they get a little bit of scuffing when you get in and out. Offside front wheel, let's go with an 8 again on that one, because it presents really nicely, and as I say, even at the distance I am, you can see it looks great, but if I go in close, you also have a mark on this one, just there on the lip. Pilot Sport 4S again, with probably 5 to 6 millimeters of tread on that one. Clean, tidy and standard 3-litre turbo V6 petrol. Get in and start it up. 64,715 miles at time of filming. Engine is ice cold, so we'll give that just a moment to come down off fast idle. I think I will have some heated seat as it's gone chilly again this afternoon. 3-zone climate control, heated front seats, ventilation, so heating and air conditioning, smell fresh, as does the interior. There's no indication this car has had a smoker or pets in it. You see there, down off fast idle now. No warning lights on, virtual cockpit on this car. Working as it should. We have got parking sensors all around with reversing camera. Smartphone interface, that's both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drive select screen there, lets you alter settings for engine gearbox, power steering, and play with the exhaust valves for a little more noise. Lovely sounding engine in these. Not in your face or intrusive like an RS car, but got a lovely little growl on them, particularly under load. In the menu there for extended LED ambient lighting pack. If you want bright pink interior lightings, is that pink, lilac, fuchsia? Someone correct me. You can have exactly that. And obviously normal things, navigation, DAB, digital radio, and all the music sources there. Talking music sources, bang, Olufsen speaker upgrade. Right, I'm going to try and do the roof one-handed, so you're looking at the roof rather than my head. Windows down, rear of the roof pops up, roof box opens, front releases, and the whole thing concertinas. Tucks away. I'll hop out again now so we can finish up with a nice view of the car with the roof down. I think really very lovely looking car anyway. Having effectively gloss black styling pack adds to the look, but then with the contrast rotor grey interior, I think very tasteful word I was going for. There we go. I hope you found that video to have been helpful. If it has brought any questions to mind, do please feel free to ask. If you'd like some more information, see the photos, detailed specification, service history, you'd like a finance quote or want to submit a car for a part exchange valuation, visit us at www.fontaine.co.uk. Thanks very much.